Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth Yamaha mixer. First, power on your Yamaha mixer and ensure it's fully operational. It's crucial to place your Bluetooth-enabled device, like a smartphone or tablet, within a range of about 10 meters or 33 feet from the mixer. This proximity helps establish a strong and stable connection. Also, double-check that the mixer isn't already paired with another device, as this can prevent new connections. We want a clear path for your audio to flow seamlessly. Now, let's get your mixer ready for pairing. Find the dedicated Bluetooth button on your Yamaha mixer's control panel. It's usually clearly labeled. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You'll notice an indicator light, often blue, begin to blink rapidly. This rapid blinking signifies that your mixer is now in pairing mode and actively searching for a device to connect with. This step is essential for the next stage of the connection process. With your mixer in pairing mode, grab your audio source device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Navigate to its Bluetooth settings. You'll see a list of available devices. Look for your Yamaha mixer's name, which might appear as Yamaha mixer or a specific model number. Select it from the list. If prompted, confirm the pairing on your device. Once connected, the mixer's Bluetooth indicator light will typically become solid, indicating a successful link. You're almost ready to play some sound. Sometimes, connections don't happen on the first try, and that's perfectly normal. If you encounter issues, first, ensure both your mixer and the connecting device have ample power and are within that 10-meter or 33-foot range. A simple power cycle, turning both devices off and then back on, can often resolve minor glitches. For more specific guidance or advanced features, always refer to your Yamaha mixer's user manual. It contains detailed instructions tailored to your exact model, helping you troubleshoot effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.